Hey, here is to those who want more than freedom. To those who turn a gig into a game, or even a masterpiece. To those who transform their car into a private temple. Flexing in life like pros, easily from one stop to the next. This is to those who make space for everyone's impossible. This is more than freedom. This is Hyundai Ioniq 3, all electric. Power your world.